Hey there, health enthusiasts. If you're on a journey to shed those extra pounds and embrace a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into 9 practical and sustainable tips for natural weight loss that you can start implementing right away. No crash diets or extreme measures here, just simple, science-backed strategies to help you achieve your goals. Let's get started. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and beverages high in added sugars. Control portion sizes. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates to help control portions and create the illusion of a fuller plate. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, as dehydration can sometimes be mistaken for hunger. Choose water over sugary drinks and limit the intake of high-calorie beverages. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, incorporating both cardiovascular exercises, for example, walking, running, cycling, and strength training. Find activities you enjoy to make exercise a sustainable part of your routine. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and lead to poor food choices. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Eat mindfully. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions while eating, such as watching TV or using electronic devices. Choose healthy snacks. Opt for nutritious snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, or yogurt between meals. Avoid mindless snacking and emotional eating. Be patient and consistent. Understand that natural weight loss takes time. Aim for gradual, sustainable changes. Focus on long-term habits rather than quick fixes or fad diets. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and health status.